Busy Sunday. I always have a busy Sunday. I have classes on Sundays, so I usually go to school at 8 o'clock a.m. Always, usually 频度副词，一般现在时的标志词，主语是非单三，动词要用原形。在星期面前介词 on， 在时间点面前介词 at。I have a lunch at school at 11:30 when classes are over. Have a lunch, have a dinner, have a breakfast. 三餐面前零冠词。In the afternoon, I play the piano with my classmates from 14 to 16. Play the piano. 乐器面前与 play 连用，一定要加定冠词 the。从几点到几点 from to。I am busy in the evening. I go to an evening school to study English. I go to bed at 22:30. I always have a deep sleep. 我总是睡得很沉。My Sunday is busy, but I enjoy it. 我的星期天很忙，但是我很享受它。跟着小老师学英语，每天进步一点点。